French fried chicken, typically referred to chicken that has been coated in a seasoning flour or butter, then deep fry until crispy. The term French in the context lightly referred to the frying method rather than any specific French origin. The chicken is often seasoned with various herbs and spice to enhance its flavor. It is a popular dish enjoyed in many parts of the world, often served with fries or other side dish. Making French fried chicken involves a simple process. Here are a basic recipe. Ingredients: chicken pieces, drumstick, thighs, wings, breasts, etc. Flour, salt, and pepper are preferred seasoning, so it's optional whatever seasoning you want to use. Eggs, milk, cooking oil. Preparing your chicken pieces. Clean and pot dry chicken pieces. Season them with salt and pepper or the choice of seasoning. Set up a coating station in 2 or 3 bowls based on how you want to approach it. So I beat the egg, add some flour to the egg. I just have one container to do the coating. There's other way you can do it where you have flour in one, season the flour, beat the egg, have it in one, have flour again, and you do that. Alright, I gotta explain. Dip each piece of chicken into the bowl with the flour and egg. Heat oil. Heat the cooking oil in a deep fryer or a deep skillet to around 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 to 190 Celsius. Carefully place coated chicken into the hot oil. Fried until golden brown and the internal temperature reaches a safe level of for the chicken at 165 Fahrenheit or 75 degrees Celsius. So by now you get a full understanding how to make French fried chicken. Coat your chicken in your butter. If you are not using the butter process, coat it in your flour. Put in the pot with hot oil to fry until crispy. After fry, remove chicken from pot with oil. Place in a container to drain or place on paper towel to remove excess oil. You can always adjust your seasoning to your taste and feel free to experiment with different herbs and spice. If you think this video is educational or interested, please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, Press the notification bell to see more video like this. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. I'm out.